Zhanjiang Weida Machinery Industrial Co., Ltd. has specialized in manufacturing fiber, plant extraction equipment for over 20 years. Our Ramie fiber production line comes standard with 2 fiber decorticator, 1 fiber dewatering and cleaning machine, and 2 fiber brushing machines. Through the collaborative operation of these multiple devices, every step from raw material processing to fine finishing is fully controlled. Extraction is more thorough. Water pressing and polishing enhance fiber texture, and dual impurity removal ensures complete elimination of impurities. The final processed fibers boast stable quality and excellent appearance, fully meeting market standards. Choose the right equipment to make Ramie fiber processing more efficient and hassle-free. Trust Weida for your fiber extraction needs.